is Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, and this one was actually requested by somebody to film, and I just thought it was a really great idea because I've actually been getting really into cooking lately. So I'm actually going to be showing you guys some really quick and easy healthy snacks that I absolutely love. Like, I actually eat them all the time, so I'm not even lying. Like, they're seriously so good. But yeah, I'm so excited to film this video. I feel like I don't have a video where I'm just talking full on about recipes, but I do think these videos would be really helpful for both of us, just because I could try out a bunch of new recipes and then I could pass it on to you guys and tell you guys the ones that I like. If you would like to see more of these type of cooking videos, make sure to let me know in the comments below, or just give this video a thumbs up. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and let's just get right into it. So starting off with snack number one, you're only gonna need 3 ingredients, and the first thing is some apples. So I'm using the Honey Crisp Trader Joe's apples. I honestly prefer red apples to green ones, but obviously if you like green apples, totally use those. The second ingredient you're gonna need is some peanut butter. I'm just using the creamy salted peanut butter from Unbalanced Peanuts, and this one is from Trader Joe's. This one only has 1 gram of sugar and 7 grams of protein for 2 tablespoons of this peanut butter, so that's really good. Last thing we're gonna need some Simply Balanced organic dark chocolate chunks. I actually was gonna buy some like dark chocolate mini chocolate chips, but for some reason like I couldn't find them anywhere. Do they not sell those? Is that like not a thing? Like, what the heck? So yeah, this is all you're gonna need, so let's make it. So I just cut up the whole entire apple into these little slices, and I'm sorry that this is not like the most beautiful cut job, but you know, whatever. So now we're just gonna add a little bit of peanut butter on all of these. So now I'm actually gonna chop up the chocolate chunks a little bit. I just feel like they're a little too chunky. That is it. They're literally so quick and easy to make, and they're so delicious. Like, I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty addicting. I also wanted to say that I eat this snack as a dessert as well, so you could definitely do that too. But yeah, that is snack number 1. So now we're on to snack number 2, and this recipe requires 4 ingredients. So the first one is these brown rice organic rice cakes, lightly salted. And before you click out of this video because you just heard the word rice cake, I promise you, if you top rice cakes the correct way, like with really good toppings, like I'm gonna show you, I promise it tastes really good. Also, my boyfriend really likes this snack and he's pretty picky, so there you go, you know, give it a chance. The next few things we're gonna need are some strawberries, delicious, and also peanut butter again, and cinnamon. Snack idea. It's so freaking good, but what's also great about this snack is that there's so many different variations that you can make of this. So for example, if you're feeling more like you want something salty, then you probably don't want this, so I would recommend making a rice cake with mashed avocado and putting a tomato on it, and it tastes so good. But yeah, that's just another idea in case you want like a salty snack and not a sweet one. But I just think having rice cakes on hand is super convenient because you can make so many different types of snacks with them, and they're really quick and easy to make. So we're on to the last and final snack. We're actually making popcorn. So popcorn's actually a really great snack. It's just not so great when you drench it in butter, so we're not gonna do that today. So obviously we're gonna need some popcorn, and then we're also gonna be using olive oil. This is kind of like a substitute for the butter, and you could use coconut oil. I just don't have any right now, so I'm gonna be using this, but you could definitely use that if you want to. Also gonna need some salt, but what's really gonna make this popcorn just so amazing is this nutritional yeast. I know, like, when you hear that, you're like, that sounds kind of gross, but this is just vegan cheese. I'm not actually vegan. I just like to stay away from dairy products as much as possible because it always gives me an upset stomach. I actually got this on Amazon. This is the Anthony's Nutritional Yeast Flakes, and I really like this one, but I have heard good things about the Bragg's Nutritional Yeast Seasoning. I just haven't tried it out, but yeah, if you want to, you can use that instead. Yeah, this is healthier than normal cheese. This one only has 60 calories, 8 grams of protein, and no sugar. Anyway, let's make the popcorn. That is all for the popcorn, and let me just tell you that this popcorn is so freaking bomb. It's just like the perfect cheesy popcorn, but what makes it even better is that it's like a healthy version of cheesy popcorn. So yeah, I highly recommend trying this out. Like, it's so good. But yeah, those are all the snacks that I wanted to share with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time filming it, and I would love to film more videos like this. Let me know in the comments which snack you'd like to try out, or if you've actually tried one of these snacks before, I'd love to know. But yeah, as always, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you guys so much for watching. watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.